My name is Furphy and I'm the chairman of the St. Francis Property Owners Association, as well as the chairman of the St. Francis Property Owners non-for-profit company, which is the SRA. What I'd like to describe to you today is the difference between the association on the one hand and the NPC or the SRA on the other. There's a lot of confusion about the two organizations. When we started some 4 years ago with the then St. Francis Bay Residents Association, being the Ratepayers Association, we were advised to put in place a unique and strong brand if we had any hope really of restoring the infrastructure in this town. And that is why we adopted the name of SFPO, St. Francis Property Owners, primarily because it's the property owners who are invested in their properties and who pay the rates. The association is a stock standard ratepayers association, and the point of a ratepayers association is to help you as ratepayers and as property owners to interact with the municipality. If you're having problems, like there have been a lot of problems with occupational certificates, with bush clearing, with picking up paving outside your home when a water pipe needs to be replaced or needs to be repaired and so on. And many of you don't live in St. Francis Bay and find it quite difficult engaging with the municipality, and that's what we're here for. Lynn Aiken is our admin manager, and she's the one that many of you have called and should call to deal with these issues. So the Ratepayers Association is there to deal with all your ongoing interactions with the municipality. We as a rate-paying association also sit on the ward committee. In our case it's Ward 12, which is St. Francis Bay, and there's a few other towns like Paradise Beach that are part of that. And that is one of our channels for managing and monitoring the municipality's service delivery performance and the upgrade of infrastructure in our town. The other is direct meetings with officials and municipal manager and mayor and other councillors, which we do on a regular basis around specific issues. For example, the emergency work on the spit is one of those. So that's what the Ratepayers Association role is. It's a voluntary membership. We really encourage everybody to join. It's only 500 Rand a month, and if you're a pensioner, 330. So it is a voluntary membership, whereas let's move now to the NPC, non-for-profit company, which governs the SRA. When we applied for an SRA, we were required to set up an NPC to receive the levy. We had already set that NPC up because we had been on a donation drive since 2016, where we raised 4.5 million. That really got a lot of the work that we were doing on the roads, on the cameras, and on the beach off the ground. An NPC is a company, and it's run by a board of directors. And the board of directors are elected as are the committee members on the association every 2 years. So the NPC is governed by the Companies Act, and as such we are required to comply with company law, as well as under the SRA with the municipalities finance agreement and SRA bylaw and policy. So hopefully that's kind of cleared up what the difference between the two organizations are. There's a lot of obviously interaction between the two. There's a number of us that sit on both the committee and on the NPC. The membership of the NPC is an automatic membership. As a property owner, you have the right to vote, whereas the membership of the association is voluntary, and we would really ask you to join that as well.